Welcome to Doc Pro, and your daily podcast for learning real English in a simple and fun way. Let's start speaking English with confidence.
What if I told you that one simple conversation at work could help you make friends
Build confidence.
and improve your English faster than studying grammar for hours?
Many English learners know hundreds of words.
But when a coworker says,
How's your day going?
they don't know what to say next.
The truth is,
Small talk is everywhere in American workplaces.
it happens in the office,
In the break room,
before meetings,
during lunch.
and even while walking to the parking lot.
Today you will learn real American workplace conversations that native speakers use every day.
Listen carefully.
Repeat after me.
And imagine yourself speaking confidently at work in the United States.
Welcome to Doc Pro English Learning.
Let's get started.
Imagine you arrive at work on Monday morning.
You see your coworker.
Coworker says,
Good morning.
"How was your weekend?"
You say,
"It was great.
I spent time with my family.
How about you?"
Coworker says,
"Pretty good."
I relaxed and watched some movies.
You say,
That sounds nice.
Coworker says,
Yeah,
"It was exactly what I needed."
this is a very common workplace conversation in America.
People often ask about your weekend because it is friendly and easy.
Now let's practice another conversation.
You are making coffee in the break room.
Coworker says,
"Hey,"
How's your day going so far?
you say,
It's going well.
"I've been pretty busy this morning."
Coworker says,
Same here.
We have a lot to do today.
You say,
That's true.
"Hopefully things slow down later."
Coworker says,
I hope so too.
Notice how simple these sentences are.
Native speakers often use simple English during casual conversations.
Let's continue.
You are waiting for a meeting to start.
Coworker says,
Have you been working on the new project?
You say,
Yes.
I've been working on it all week.
Coworker says,
How's it coming along?
You say,
It's going well so far.
I'm making good progress.
Coworker says,
That's great to hear.
You say,
Thanks.
I'm excited to finish it.
Now let's talk about weather.
Americans love talking about the weather.
Coworker says,
It's really hot outside today.
You say,
I know.
It feels much hotter than yesterday.
Coworker says,
I heard it's going to be even hotter tomorrow.
You say,
Really?
I guess I'll stay indoors.
Coworker laughs.
Probably a good idea.
Weather is one of the safest and most common small talk topics.
Now imagine you are eating lunch.
Coworker says,
What are you having for lunch today?
You say,
I brought a chicken sandwich from home.
Coworker says,
That sounds good.
You say, Coworker says,
I'm thinking about ordering pizza.
You say,
Nice.
Pizza is always a good choice.
Coworker says,
I completely agree.
Let's practice talking about work.
Coworker says,
Are you busy this afternoon?
You say,
A little.
I have a few tasks to finish.
Coworker says,
Same here.
My schedule is packed.
You say,
Hopefully we can leave on time.
Coworker says,
That would be nice.
Now let's learn a conversation about future plans.
Coworker says,
Do you have any plans after work?
You say,
Not really.
I'm just going to relax at home.
Coworker says,
That sounds nice.
You say, Coworker says,
I'm meeting some friends for dinner.
You say,
That should be fun.
Coworker says.
I think so.
Here's another common conversation.
Coworker says,
Did you watch the game last night?
You say,
No.
I missed it.
Coworker says.
It was a great game.
You say,
Really?
Who won?
Coworker says,
The home team won in the final minutes.
You say,
Sounds exciting.
Even if you didn't watch the game.
You can still keep the conversation going by asking questions.
Now let's talk about learning English.
Coworker says.
Your English is getting really good.
You say,
Thank you.
I've been practicing every day.
Coworker says,
It shows.
You're improving a lot.
You say,
I appreciate that.
Coworker says.
Keep up the great work.
You say,
I definitely will.
Let's do a quick review of useful workplace phrases.
How was your weekend?
How's your day going?
I've been pretty busy.
That sounds nice.
How's it coming along?
I'm making good progress.
Hopefully things slow down later.
Do you have any plans after work?
That should be fun.
I appreciate that.
These are phrases you will hear every day in American workplaces.
Now listen to this natural conversation.
Coworker says,
Good morning.
"How are you today?"
You say,
"I'm doing well.
Thanks for asking.
How about you?"
Coworker says,
"I'm great."
Just trying to stay productive.
You say,
I know what you mean.
"It's a busy day."
Coworker says,
"Definitely."
but the week is going by fast.
You say,
That's true.
"Friday will be here before we know it."
Coworker says,
"I'm already looking forward to the weekend."
You say,
Me too.
Coworker says,
Any special plans?
You say,
Nothing special.
just relaxing and spending time with family.
Coworker says,
That sounds perfect.